गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन एट योर होम and in this pandemic situation, as we are talking about the health and so many related issues of it. Here I want to talk about the chapter Divyang and physical education. My dear students, as we are talking about the different types of disorders today in this series of study, we are talking about autism spectrum disorder. Autism spectrum disorder. My dear students, autism spectrum disorder is a developmental disorder that affects communication and behavior. Means, what kind of behavior is required in society if the person is not fulfilling that requirement during the communication and behavior. That kind of things may be defined as the autism spectrum disorder. Although autism can be diagnosed at any age, it is said to be a developmental disorder. Means, simply we can find out this kind of disorder in a child, but generally it appears from the first 2 years of life. Autism spectrum disorder is a condition related to brain development that impact how a person perceives and socialize with others, causing problem in social interaction and communication. The disorder also includes limited and repetitive pattern of behavior. This leads to difficulty in the person's ability to function properly in school, at workplace, and in other area of life. Many children tend to get better as they age. There are different level of this disorder among children. Hence, they need different care. Social isolation is a predominant features. So let us see one video to define it. Characteristics. How the person behaves in this disorder. Here you can see the behavior of the child. As they are unable to respond and react, the same time they are feeling uneasy to respond. It is a very common problem which the victim of autism spectrum disorder faces. The teacher is trying to give special teaching or care to them. Also, we can say that autism spectrum disorder defines itself with the condition. Here we want to tell you that if the person or the child is suffering from this disorder, they need the special care as well as they need the special teacher. Gradually, we should improve. The teacher always try to motivate and let us talk about the causes of autism. Having an immediate family member with autism. This is one of the main cause of development of ASD in children. This is because the genes is inherited by the newborn from their parents or can occur because of genetic alteration in the child while in womb. Genetic mutations is one of the cause of this autism spectrum disorder. The other causes are being born to older parents, low birth weight, metabolic imbalances, exposure to heavy metals and environmental toxins, a history of viral infections. So we can bifurcate this in two parts. This first one is genetic. This is one of the main cause of development of ASD. Whereas we can go to the environmental factors as it is enlisted. There is a possible link between the rubella infection, also known as German measles, during pregnancy in the mother, as well as chemical imbalance and mothers exposed to high level of infectious diseases. Even if she is exposed to insecticides and pesticides, which can be lead to ASD. Brain development abnormally in brain structure or function in one of the cause of this disorder. Brain scans differences in the shape and structure of the brain in children with autism as compared to normal children. Treatment of this disorder is not very specific. Medication is used to ease the symptoms such as aggression, depression, and hyperactivity. Also, behavioral therapy may be helped, especially if initiated early. So, this was the whole explanation related with the autism spectrum disorder. Thank you.